High rigidity, high precision, high reliability. BDN 3217, 3223, 4223, and 4228 double column machining center. Advantages: the one-piece construction base with modulated box design maintains the high stability to guarantee maximum loading on work table and heavy-duty cutting as well as process accuracy. Crossbeams adopt step 45-degree large span of 3 roller line rail width 65 mm, with high rigidity and high stability. Wide door design favors the passing and cutting of large workpieces. Z-axis structure of 4 roller line tracks, track width 45 mm, covers the high rigid structure at the head, which is not easy to deform. The precision of losing position is small, and there is a higher precision of surface processing. From the software simulation testing to the actual operation on site, machines all pass the valuation of the ball bar measuring and the laser testing to ensure the integrity of quality control. Features: with extra wide solid base, the machine adopts 4-track roller linear sliding rails to support the average load and reduce deformation of the work table to meet the demand of high precision, high rigidity, and high feed rate. Utilizing the unique one-piece ball screw supporting block design, it effectively improves the feed rate and accuracy of processing and extends the life expectancy of the ball screw. X-axis increases the direct transmission of the deceleration mechanism to increase transmission torque, thrust, and workpiece loading. Special structural design of the Z-axis rectangular box type utilizes equipment of dual hydraulic cylinder to ensure the accuracy and smoothness of movement and provide high precision and high stability of cutting. The holder design at the back of crossbeams, hydraulic unit, cooling machines, spare parts, etc. are arrayed neatly, and holders are in line with CE regulations. Temperature rise thermal compensation. To feed back the compensation value and conduct the amendment of the cutting results model coefficient, look for the best thermal error compensation model to successfully control the real cutting paragraph difference within 20 micrometers. The CNC controller uses the advanced digital servo controller, which features easy operation, and its program editing has big variations which substantially promote working efficiency. The control panel can be adjusted according to working conditions. The rotary type ATC stores plenty of cutters. Operated on a CNC computer, the spindle can change the tool automatically.